In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a nice curved arrow in Figma. Whether you're a seasoned designer looking to fine-tune your skills or a beginner diving into the world of digital design, crafting the perfect arrow can be an essential part of your project. So, let's dive right in. To start off, first we'll head over to Figma. It's an amazing tool designed for team collaboration in interface design, and it has a lot of powerful features to explore. Simply open your browser and navigate to Figma's website. Now that you're on the Figma homepage, you'll want to log into your account. Just click on the login button if you're an existing user. If you're new to Figma, you'll need to sign up for an account first, which is a straightforward process. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Figma home screen. Here on the home screen, your next step is to click on Design. This will direct you to the area where we can create our masterpiece. This is the hub for all your creative endeavors, and it's where we'll be crafting our curved arrow today. With the design workspace open, look for the arrow tool. You'll find it in the toolbar, which includes a variety of shapes like rectangles, circles, and lines. Click on the arrow to draw an arrow on your canvas. It's as simple as clicking and dragging on your design area to get the basic shape of your arrow. Now this is where the real fun begins, adjusting the arrow. Once you have your arrow laid out, you can customize it to make it look exactly the way you want. Click on the arrow and you'll see handles that allow you to adjust the shape and curve. If your design calls for a gentler curve, drag the handles outward until you achieve the right bend. Experiment with the curvature until you're satisfied with how it complements your design. Remember, a well-crafted arrow can draw attention to important areas of your interface or guide viewers through information seamlessly. The key to a nice curved arrow is balance, so don't hesitate to try out different angles and curves to see what fits best in your overall layout. In summary, Figma offers incredible flexibility and ease when it comes to customizing designs, so don't be afraid to get creative and tweak this arrow to perfection. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide helps you in your future design projects. Happy designing!